Hey, beautiful souls, welcome back to the Sweet Spot. I'm Dr. Derek Sweet, and today is Making Moves Monday. And as you know, we always make Monday special. We always choose a theme here on the Sweet Spot. And this week's theme is going to be on shine, sparking your shine. Monday is about making sure that you continue to shine no matter what. All right, for those of you who don't know who I am, Dr. Derek Sweet here, board certified sports and entertainment psychiatrist. I've worked with all kinds of amazing performers, but what I really like and what gets me so excited is helping anyone who's ready to let their light shine. I'm reminded of a song, This Little Light of Mine, I'm gonna let it shine. And you know what I love about light? It never really ends. It just keeps moving, finding new places to glow. And guess what? You are exactly the same way. Your shine is always there, just waiting for its next big moment. Or maybe its next small moment, just to peek through, just being a light. Let me tell you, I've seen over and over in my work, when things feel like they're slowing down, that's actually the perfect chance to light up. Every ending is just tomorrow's beginning in disguise. I'd like you to take a moment and reflect on that. Maybe we're in some kind of ending phase today. Maybe you find yourself reflecting about an ending. Remember, every ending is just tomorrow's beginning in disguise, waiting for you to turn on your inner light. You always have a light. So here's the question for you. What move on this Making Moves Monday have you been putting off? What have you been procrastinating about? What light have you been keeping hidden? Because here's the thing. There's no such thing as too late to shine. That's the beauty about light. Your moment is whenever you say it is. Whenever you make that decision that you're going to let this little light of mine shine, it'll shine. So here's your Sweet Spot challenge for today, for Making Moves Monday. Make one move, just one, that lights up your world. And even if you can't figure that out, decide to light somebody else's world up. Maybe it's a text that you're going to send, or something you've been nervous to do. Maybe it's signing up for a class you've been thinking about, or just taking a first small step towards some big dream. Whatever it is, I don't care. You just have to not wait for the perfect time, because your time to make your move is now. All right? It's never too late to shine. So, okay, share your light with our Sweet Spot family if you can, using this hashtag, hashtag Sweet Spot Shine. Let's go with that. I just love seeing your beautiful moments of growth, and I love reading them. Here's one of my favorite quotes to end on. Marianne Williamson said, "As we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same." I'll repeat it. As we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. How cool is that? That by just shining your light, somebody else might say to themselves, you know what? Maybe I can shine my light too. Maybe it's okay. Just saying that makes me smile. All right now, this is Dr. Derek Sweet, and you've been in the Sweet Spot, where science meets the soul. Catch up with me on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, or subscribe on YouTube at Derek Sweet. Remember, every single day is a chance to shine just a little brighter. Let's make this Making Moves Monday count. Talk to you tomorrow. God bless you.